Welcome to my Unity Garden. I'm Stephanie Bandozik, a Reiki healer and positive energy coach, and I want to help you to reduce stress and increase energy through intentional living. I was so excited to find that my hostas really were my hostas, and I was able to harvest them to make a delicious salad. I ate quite a few greens this year that were just hosta salad, and it's great with red onions and pickled carrots. I made these pickled carrots myself last year, and my spruce is ready as well. So those bright green spruce tips are tender, they're soft, and they're really yummy. You can eat them. My favorite way to use them is in water, in cold water. They make a really refreshing electrolyte drink that's all natural. And I found this rhubarb. I call her the Audrey. And Audrey here is really special to me because I found her growing in the garden last year. And according to my mom, she's been here since my grandparents moved in. She's been neglected, but I'm happy to use her in lots of things. And the garden is making so many chives that I'm able to share them with some neighbors, and that's really exciting for me. I really want to garden enough that I can share the fruits of my labor with family and friends and neighbors. So it was really exciting to me to have even something that I could pass along to someone. I'm doing a lot of digging to do a lot of spring planting. So peas and radishes and cool weather veggies have to get in. Luckily, I have lots of pollinators and friendly worms visiting my garden, so that's a good sign for a healthy environment. If you build a healthy environment, all of the good beneficial insects and animals will come. And I love, love, love peas, so I'm so excited to get some fresh peas in the ground. They did really well last year, so I'm hoping that they will do just as well this year. But I'm learning that gardening is not always a linear climb. So because there's so many variables, even if you're learning along the way, depending on weather, depending on seeds, depending on so many variables, you may not do better every year at everything you plant. And that's one of the things I'm finding exciting and challenging and trying to really take in stride. My friends gave me some bunny poop so I could make bunny poop tea fertilizer. I'm going to fill this bucket with water, and then you can still dilute it 5-1, so it's extremely powerful, but it won't burn your plants. And I'm doing the best I can to dig up as much of my lawn as I can and make it food as much as possible. I've also had time to do some baking. I have not purchased any bread in the last year and a half. I've done all my own bread baking from scratch. I also made some cornbread from scratch and a really yummy chocolate cake. This chocolate cake is so rich and decadent, I often don't even frost it. I like to eat it just as is. Sometimes I put some peanut butter on it. And I love to make this Mediterranean pizza. The pizza dough is from scratch, and then you use hummus as the base, and you top it with red onions, tomatoes, red peppers, and black olives. If you love Mediterranean flavors, I really suggest this pizza. It's a great way to get lots of veggies on and still treat yourself to a fresh pizza too. Thanks so much for watching. Hope to see you next time.